Hello and welcome back to The Realm & Co. I'm Rebecca and we're gonna style a shirt today. So not just any shirt, we're gonna style an oversized shirt in this off-the-shoulder look. The look that I currently have on. Today I'm going to give instructions on how to do this. If you watched my last video on how to style men's shirts on women, I created this look with a dress shirt. And I've got so many questions on my Instagram of, I love that, how do I do that? So I thought I'd hop on and give, a tutorial on how I created this look. So you ready? Are you ready to style this shirt in this sexy fashion? Oh yeah. Okay, to start off, you'll want an oversized shirt. I have on a men's shirt. If you saw my last video on how to style men's shirts on a woman, then you'll notice that I wear a lot of men's shirts. However, this one you really want oversized, and a men's shirt is perfect for that just because it needs to be able to go off of your shoulders. So start out with an oversized shirt, kind of pick something that still fairly kind of fits. I currently have on a strapless bra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 4th button and match it into the 5th hole. Now, this could be different based on the shirt that you use and the size of your shoulders. I have pretty broad shoulders and I want it to go down a little bit, so that is the combination that I'm going to use. So you're going to pull the shirt down to see if that's the look that you want. If it isn't, just kind of mess around with the different buttonholes and buttons, and then you'll eventually find the look that you want. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to button up a few buttons. I've seen people just tuck their shirts in after this, but I like to button up a few. I don't want it, if anything kind of like comes out, I don't want any like gaping holes. So then it's all about tucking, adjusting, and whatnot. So tucking in my pants, because it's oversized, you just have to make sure that it's a smooth tuck. You don't want anything like bulging in, awkward areas. And then you're just gonna kind of pull it down, and then, just kind of adjust based on the look and the fit that you want. So that's what I want. I'm going to leave the sleeves long. I do like this kind of large oversized sleeve look. However, you can roll them up. You can also do this on a short sleeve button-up shirt. So whatever your preference is. That is it. It was short and it was sweet. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on how to create the off-the-shoulder look with an oversized shirt, please let me know in the comments below or hit me up on Instagram at therealm.co. I'm always happy to answer any questions for you. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. And remember, wear what you love.